Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today we will learn about MongoDB Shell Server and MongoDB Compass. Today's topics are: what is MongoDB Server, what is MongoDB Shell, basic shell commands, transition to Compass, MongoDB Compass walkthrough, and last is Shell versus Compass and when to use what. First is, what is MongoDB Server? The MongoDB server runs in the background and manages databases and requests. It can be installed locally or hosted on MongoDB Atlas. What is MongoDB Shell? It is a command line interface to interact directly with the server. It comes with MongoDB or can be installed separately. How to launch it? Now to launch we have to type this command mongosh and it will directly connect to the default server at this localhost 27017. Basic shell commands, hands-on. So for viewed databases we can use this showdb's command. For that we have to connect like database to this localhost, like I am already connected. So we click on this automation and then click on open MongoDB shell. Now if I write show dbs, it is showing all the databases available. Our second command is this, use my database. In this command we have to use our database name in place of this my database. So write use, like I type local and enter. Now I am on local. Now to view collections we can use this show collections command. Show collections and enter. Now in that there is nothing much, so first let's shift to this another database, like use Agni Home Automation, enter, and then by up arrow we can restore our previous commands used. These are all the collections which is present in the database. Now to insert one we can use this command, like we already discussed this earlier. I am again changing this database, use local. I will use this db.user dot insert one and the details. db dot users dot insert one in this normal brackets and then curly braces, name colon alice comma age colon 30. Like this is acknowledged true, and also I got a object ID. Our next command is for read documents. The command is db.users.find. db.users users dot find this normal brackets and enter. So it is showing the added data bias. Now to drop the collection we can use this command db.users.drop. db.users.drop normal brackets and enter. True. Now transition to Compass. While the shell is great for developers, what if you prefer something more visual? That's where MongoDB Compass comes in. MongoDB Compass walkthrough. What is Compass? GUI client for MongoDB view, query, insert, update and analyze documents visually. How to connect? Now for connecting to the database in this Compass, we have to open the Compass and paste this localhost URL, and then we have to click on client. Like I can show you this. For this we have to click on this plus, and the URL is already present, and we have to save and connect like this. I am now connected to this localhost. Feature and highlights. View databases and collections in sidebar. Like this, it is visible like admin, agni, home automation, common, config, local text, व्यापार genie. It is also used for view JSON viewer for documents, and it also run queries with filter input like age colon curly braces dollar greater than 25, and it is also can add, update, delete documents with UI buttons like this. Add data, update data and delete data. Now we can run this query here. And schema tab, which automatically analyzes structure, and indexes tab to see and create indexes. Now this is shell versus Compass, when to use what. Feature is now here are three tables like feature, shell and Compass. Now for speed, shell is fast and scriptable, and for Compass it is slower but intuitive. Now which is best? Shell is best for developers and CLI pros, and Compass is best for beginners, and it gives a quick overview. And when we talk about power, shell has full control and Compass has simplified control. This shell gives you power and flexibility. Compass gives you a visual and advantage. Master both tools and you will be ready to tackle anything MongoDB throws at you. Next up, we will dive into create operations in more depth. Thank you guys, this is our today's session. Thank you for your attention guys.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.